Good morning. Here we are, just leaving the Sundale Bridge. Sean and I today. What's that? A bit of a Euro on. That's alright, let him go. Shawnee's first up. You have a bit of weight to start with, Shawnee?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's run alright. It just feels like it's sort of
coming up.
Yeah, like swimming upwards.
Yeah, it's probably flooded, it's grounded. Yeah, it's still got something. Yeah, still got something. Here it comes. Colour nice snapper. Over this way, Shawnee. Nice. Look at that. Yeah, start the morning off. How good's that?
Yeah, good start.
Good start, Shawnee. Hey?
I sort of I stopped it running out just to see if there was anything, and I pulled up a bit and I felt like a couple nibbles.
Yep.
So then I just let it back out again. Let it, just go out freely.
Yep.
And then it started running.
Right, mate, that's a great start. Not a bad start for the morning. Nice squire. Come on, squire, it's a snapper, Vita. There we go, Shawnee's on. First fish, there you go, mate. Alright, there's fish down there still. Shawnee's on again. That's it, keep going in there. I'll just tighten up your drag. Oh, sorry, brother.
Started swimming up.
Yep, that's good. Hang on just That's it. Now you're on. That's it. Let him go. He'll have another run and then he'll start coming up. That's alright. It's alright. This might be the end of him. A little bit of footage, don't fall in when I'm over here filming, Shawnee. Yeah, you know when he takes off like that when you're on the drop. Oh, I see colour. Good job, Shawnee boy. Good job. Look at that.
I think we let this one go.
I don't know if he's a 90, so we won't be letting him go.
If he's 90 plus, we'll let him go.
Yep, if he's over 90, we let him go. What a snodge, big fella.
Yep.
That is what you're talking about. Got him. All right, let's unhook him.
Yep.
Wow, good job, Shawnee. Number 2.
That's a big red.
That's a big red. That's a big red.
I'll cover on this other side and.
It's not. I think he goes into the 80s.
Yeah.
Oh, hook up. The double hook up. Not a bad start, Shawnee. Let's tape measure him. Oh, I got a tape measure on the esky there. I'll come down, you move back across.
Alrighty.
Yep, early morning snapper, 82 centimetres.
Nice one.
Good job, big fella. Woo. Oh my goodness, what a bottom. That's what you want to see. The top line's our line's going down. Then you got fish 5-10 metres off the bottom. Perfect.
Welcome to the club, Shorty. The 80s club.
Yep. This video, yes, Scotty. this go. Ah, what a beast. Ready? Nice.
Fuck, let's go.
Party like a dirty party.